So for this question, asks what is the resultant moment force on A that counteracts the 600-pound tension that's being pulled at B. So let's first write out the direction vector. It's going -12 on the x-axis, and the y-axis is going up 4.8, and the z-axis it's going -8 from point B to point C, if you make that travel. Now we need to find the unit vector. So to do that, let me erase this real quick. To find the unit vector, which basically just tells the direction, we have to find the magnitude of this vector. So magnitude is equal to sum of the squares, so 144.